Welcome to the SmartBackup End User Restore Guide video series. The series includes several short videos, each covering a specific restore scenario. In this video, we will show you how to restore for revert to an earlier version of form data. In this case, we will go back to our demo campaign plan sheet. And here, you can see that our demo campaign plan sheet has a form associated with it. And if we open the form, we will be able to see that there is unique content in the form that only exists in the form. It is not saved anywhere else, inside or outside of Smartsheet. This form data includes the title field, the description field, as well as all of the help text fields associated with each of the form fields, and also any unique label information. In addition to this unique information, if we take a look at the Settings tab, we will see that there is additional information that is not saved anywhere, inside or outside of Smartsheet. And this includes the specific settings for the look and feel of the form, all the configuration switches, and any text associated with the form submission notifications, and email notifications. As before, the information in these text boxes is not saved anywhere inside or outside of Smartsheet, which means that it's not easy to go back to an earlier version of this information, unless you have SmartBackup. Now let's take a look at what would happen if a user who had admin rights came into the form and deleted some of this form data, or if they overwrote the information with invalid or different data. If they then click Save, then the original data would be lost, and at this point it is impossible to go back to the earlier version of the data unless you have a backup copy available. Fortunately, with SmartBackup, all you need to do to go back to an earlier version of the form data is to go to your SmartBackup Vault workspace and open the most recent backup copy of the sheet. Then in the backup copy of the sheet, you will be able to open the form in edit mode, and you will be able to locate an earlier version of the form data that you would like to restore. Now, you can simply select and copy the text, and then switch back to the live sheet, and open up the live version of the form in edit mode, then navigate to the form field, paste the text back into the field, and then click Save. At this point, you would have reverted to an earlier version of the form data. In a similar way, you can copy label text data, or help text data, from a backup copy to the live version. And, you can also go back to earlier settings such as switch settings, or theme settings, or revert to earlier versions of email notification information, using the same approach. And this is how to restore deleted form data, or revert to an earlier version of form data. That brings us to the end of this video. You can find more details about SmartBackup on our website at www.aqworkflow.com. And, if you have any other questions, please reach out to your IT department. Thanks for watching.